Hello, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and today I'm going to show you something easy but very useful for these coming holidays. Look, I will show you how you can make this snowflake. I will use this snowflake to decorate my Christmas tree, but you can use it in many other things to decorate your windows or your Christmas wreath, or what else, or your presents. You can use it as a decoration to make your gift to, for many other things, okay? But well, before we start, remember it's important that you subscribe, and then I will give you the step by step of how you can make these snowflakes. So let's start. Well, you can use the material that you have left from previous projects. In this case, I'm going to use this white yarn. It's a light material number 3, and I will use a crochet hook number 3 millimeters, okay? If you want, you can use the yarn that you want, but I want to have a delicate snowflake, so I will use this yarn. With one thread and with your hook, we will start making chains. First, we will make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We will close in circle. We will take both threads, the one that we used at the beginning and the one that we have. We will bring them through and we are going to make a magic ring. We will go up with 4 chains, and then inside we will turn over twice before. We will insert our hook in the center, and right there we are going to make a double crochet. So this will be an extended double crochet. Then after these 2 double crochet, we will make 4 chains between them, and again we will make inside the ring 2 extended double crochet. Remember, before we turn over twice, so we will take the first one, then the next 2, the next 2, and the last 2. Again, turn over twice, take 1, take 2, and the last 2. Again, we will repeat 4 chains, then turn over twice, and inside we will make 2 extended double crochet, okay? And then 4 chains, and again we will repeat until we have 6 sections of 2 double crochets, okay? Well, so like this the whole row. Well, then we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, okay? Then we will finish making 4 chains and we will slip 1 to close, and this is the first row. Well, and at the end, the thread that we have here behind, you will hide it with an embroidery needle. I already did, and this is the thread that I have left, so I will cut it. Then we will make 1 single crochet in the next stitch, then a second single double crochet, then inside a single crochet, and then we will make 2 double crochet of 2 crochet, okay? 1 and 2, then 4 chains, and we will repeat, okay? We will make 2 double crochet. So here we have 1, 2, and we will repeat this single crochet and then the next 2 single crochet over the last double crochet, remember? So here we are going to make 1 and the next one single crochet, and we have this again, a single crochet inside, then 2 double crochet, then 4 chains, and we will repeat what we made in one side, we will make it in the other side, and like this we are going to make this in all the 6 sections that we made in the last row, remember? Well, like this is how we are going to continue all around until we finish the row. So see you there. Well, at the end we are just going to slip 1 to close, just like this. So far it's looking so good, right? Well, then we are going to make a chain. Let me order my ideas. Yes, 1 chain, and we are going to make a single crochet over the last single crochet, So the single crochets will go inside the last single crochet before the shell, okay, and then the second single crochet between the first double crochet, you see? Then 6 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we are going to come back to the beginning of these chains, and we are going to take these 2 threads, we are going to bring them through, and we are going to make a kind of a picot, you see? Then in the next space we are going to make a single crochet, then inside the chains we are going to make 2 single crochet, and then again 6 chains, and inside this space we are going to make 3 picots like this one. So 6 chains, come back to the beginning, insert your hook taking these 2 threads and bring them through, again 6 chains, come back to the beginning, insert your hook, now taking 3 threads like this, we are kind of leaning the hook, you see? Again 6 chains, and again we are going to come back to the beginning, and now we are going to take, leaning the hook, the 4 threads, the 4 loops. We are going to bring them through like this, I'm sorry, and then now that we have these 3 picots, we are going to repeat what we made in the other side. We are going to make these 3 single crochet. Let's make 1, 2, and 3 single crochet, then again 6 chains. We are going to make the first picot that we made, remember? We slip 1, and then we are going to make the next single crochet. So we are going to make one here next to it, and then the next one here. Then we are going to make 1 chain. We are going to skip these spaces, and we are going to start here. We are going to skip these single crochets, and we will start making single crochets, and we are going to repeat what we made here, remember? So we are going to make 3, 4, 5, 6 chains, and the first picot, then we are going to make, and we are going to make 3 single crochets, 1 here and 1 inside, and again we are going to make these petals that we made, remember? So we made 3 together, we will go up with 6 chains, and we will come back to the beginning. We are going to slip 1, again 6 chains. We are going to come back to the beginning, remember to take the last loops. So here we must take 3, you see, 3 loops. Then bring them through, again 6 chains. And then here we are going to take the last loops. We must have here 4. Then bring them through. Now we have the 3 picots. We are going to make a single crochet, the second double crochet, and the third double crochet. And again we are going to repeat. We are going to make this picot. So remember what we made in one side, we are going to make it in the other side too. Then the next 2 single crochets. So here we have, oh no, yes, 1, then 2, 1 chain, and we will start all over again, and we are going to repeat. And we are going to skip these 2 single crochets, and we will start here making the first 2, and then we are going to make the first picot, and like this is how we are going to continue. Okay, we are going to repeat all over again what we made in the other sides too. When we arrive here, we are going to make a longer picot because we will use it as a cord to put it in the tree, okay, or to put it in the Christmas wreath or wherever you want to use it to the cord. So I see you there, okay? So here we are. We have made the first picot with 6 chains out of the 3, remember, that are in the top. So right here we are going to make this picot of 24, 25 chains. 24 and 25. Okay, then we are going to come back to the beginning and we are going to insert our hook. Remember that we kind of limp the hook to insert into the beginning where we started, and well, we will use this long picot as a cord, so it will be easy to put it where we want to the cord. Okay, then we are going to finish with the picot with 6 chains, and then we will continue with the rest. Okay, we are going to make the 2 single crochets, and here is where we finished. You see? Well, so far we must have something like this, okay? If you want, you can make it longer or like this, like you want, okay? Well, at the end, please just hide all the loose threads that you have with an embroidery needle, and that's it, okay? I think that with 100 grams you will have approximately 25 or 30 snowflakes like this one. Okay, so please calculate the yarn that you need for the uh, object that you want to decorate. Okay, in this case I'm going to make 30 because I want to decorate my Christmas tree. But well, now I will show you how we are going to make the mix with a little bit of water and white glue so we can put it, and the snowflake can be hard. Okay, I don't know how to say it, so the snowflake can stood in their place and we can put it in the Christmas tree or in the Christmas wreath or whatever you want to put it, but I will show you. Well, now we are going to make this mix, okay? So here I already put like 3 spoons of water, and I will put the same amount of white glue into it, and I will mix it, okay? I'm sorry. Until again the water mixes perfectly with the glue until it's white again. So then I will soak this snowflake until it's all covered. Okay, if you want you can put a protection under your table, I forgot, but well, and then you will squeeze and you will remove all the excess. Well, then you will need a plastic and a pillow, or in this case I have an old rug, so I will use it and I will place it over it. I will fix it and I will use some pins to um, to make sure that it won't move and that it will stay there, and that it will look if I have ironed it, but it will have this hard texture. Okay, so it will be perfect for the decoration and it will look as an sphere. Okay, then you will leave it there, I mean outside, 24 hours, and then you will see how it looks. Well, one day later you will take all the pins out and now they are ready to put it in the Christmas tree, you see? And look, I made more. I already put them in the tree and they look so pretty, right? Thank you so much for watching the video and to arrive till the end. It means a lot to me. Remember that before you go, it's important that you subscribe and that you follow me in all my social media. I hope that you really make these snowflakes and you show me how your Christmas tree looks with this beautiful decoration that we made. Remember that with just few steps, with just few material, you can have something amazing. So I hope that you really make them, and remember, before you go, leave me a like and don't forget to share it. Thank you so much and see you soon. Bye.